What's up, dudes and dudettes? It's Connor with Hound Dog Motorsports. If you guys can't tell, this is recorded after I completed the video. But in this video, what we'll cover is de-ricing my 335i. It's had these absolute cringe Ricer M3 style grills with the grill inserts, and I absolutely hate them. As a matter of fact, I'm not even gonna let you on Marketplace. I'm just gonna straight sell them. So stick around for the video and we'll see what happens. All right, so the first ones I ordered are supposed to be gloss black. They're not. Chinaman messed that up, but I have enough gloss spray paint and black spray paint around that. Hopefully I can make it work, but let's just stick around and find out. All right, just from that one alone, I can see how much of a difference this makes. Not just in the gloss, but like this stuff is just straight like a dark gray, and now it's glossy black, which is what I wanted. All right, now what we'll do is we'll let this sit. I gotta go run 3 hours across the street, and by that I mean all the way to Virginia Beach, and visit my in-laws. But when we come back, we'll be ready for the second coat, and then later on tonight, the third coat, and then hopefully reinstallation, because I might do a clear coat on this.
3 weeks later.
All right, so now if you guys are here, it didn't work. They wrinkled up. It sucks. I will be throwing those in the trash too, along with the ones that were originally on my car. So now let's get to the actual right install of the right part and get it right the first time. Do it right the first time, my motto. Obviously, you know, try to make shit work. Doesn't always work, but let's get to it. Here we are with the actual gloss painted ones. Hopefully these are better. I haven't opened them yet, so we're about to find out. I'm gonna gently place these on the ground so we don't have what happened there, which is almost inevitable with all these Chinese aftermarket parts. But also, you know, what is it, like $180 per new kidney grill from BMW themselves. All right, looking at them, definitely could not have done this shit like by myself. Definitely was not gonna get like this moderate, like, you know, paint quality. I mean, it is ABS plastic, just gloss. Obviously can't do that myself. I am missing a few brain cells up there. Are we surprised? No. But here we go. They're about as glossy and as uniform as they get. Actually, what the best part is that it will match my lip. Thank God. The whole poser 3-stripe, you know, M stripes on my kidney grill is really pissing me off because I feel like a fucking poser. It's very Ricer. I hate Ricers. All right. So as you nerds might notate, it has been like over a week since I painted those. If you guys can't tell, between me sweating my ass off and then now wearing a sweater, yeah, or a hoodie. Yeah, I took like some personal time. I don't know, I focus on my personal life before really anything else. I've been real busy with work. The new Battlefield coming out. I'm gonna take a whole day off of that. For that, I'm super sick. It's like a holiday for me. But I've also lost a ton of weight. I've been really focusing on my personal health again. I used to be a really big dude, almost 350 pounds. Now I'm like 200 and I feel so much better. But who gives a shit? We're gonna go ahead and slap these fuckers on, and hopefully that this thing looks a whole lot better than this rice. All right, let's get to it. My psychotic neighbor is home. The burgundy minivan behind me damaged and destroyed my girlfriend's car, and they're just refusing to call insurance and like answer their calls. So yeah, that's fun. Those people. That's when rice further proves my point. dudes and dudettes, that is all for this video. I appreciate y'all sticking around. If you guys have made this far, please feel free to like and subscribe. I very much prefer it and appreciate it. It's free. Nothing beats free. Overall, I do think it does look a lot better, and I am sorry for the late uploads. You know, I am really taking control of my personal life. I've made a lot of progress with losing weight and working on a few other things, and I feel like a much better and healthier person because of it, and hopefully with that brings more content. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to drop them down below. And then also, take care of yourself and be safe. I'll see y'all in the next one.